Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos and I welcome all of you at my Mac Forex YouTube channel. So as you know, I try my best to bring for you the very best Forex trading systems, and today I will talk with you about the best Forex support and resistance level strategy, because today topic is support and resistance levels. Basically, if you are new, you can sorry, you can draw your own lines of support and resistance. But I have a very good forex indicators. If you will attach this indicator to the chart, automatically this best indicator will draw the verified resistance levels, verified support levels, and untested resistance and support levels. So today the topic is support and resistance levels, and I will teach you how you can trade, how you can manual trade with follow the support and resistance levels properly. So first of all, you can see the look of this best indicator. For example, I will show you the market is running now. You can see here, I will zoom out little bit. At this point, you can see here, when I zoom in, this point was the verified resistance. It's mean market already touched this level, so it's mean this is a verified resistance level. For example, if market move the high level and again high level make the point, and then again touch this the high level after some period. For example, market was this level. At this level, 20th July market was there, and after 13 August market was again there. It's mean this was the verified resistance level. No, sorry, the 11th August market was there and little bit down, and then again market like a touch the verified resistance level. When market touch the verified resistance level, so it's mean the 80 to 90% probability market will go down. You can see here in history also, you can check. Okay, so let's see, I will attach an other pair with this. Okay, so now the market is at this point, so it's mean as per this indicator, possible this level can like can be resistance level. But if you want make profit and if you want the good prediction, you just follow the verified support levels. For example, you can see here market was there, 20th July market was there. You can see this was a verified support level, because in previous already touched this point, market already touched. For example, I zoom in, I will show you. You can see here, this was the verified support level. You can see here at this point verified support level, and market was this point. Little bit wait, I will show. Market was this point at 3rd Feb. After 3rd Feb, market again is going down and touch this point. So it's mean if long period, after long period market touch the verified support level, then 100% sure market will go up. Market will go up because market always respect the strong support levels and resistance levels. Okay, so one more in currency pair I will attach. For example, Euro USD is at this point. Okay, so this is the verified resistance levels. For example, if you want to trade and if you want trade like a professional trader, you can put pending order at this point, because this is a verified resistance level. Market was always there. 30th July market was there, and you can set the sell stop here at this point. Okay, and if market break this, you can set the sell stop at this point. You can set the stop loss or the upside, and if market break or hit the stop loss level, then you can set at this point sell limit, because this is too verified resistance levels already upside. This is little bit weak because market was 30th July at this point, and market is going again. If market go up at this point, you can sell here, but if market will go there, this is the strong resistance level, because you can check in previous history when the market was there. Market was 25th June. So it's mean after almost 2 months market is going again, coming up at this point. So this is the strong resistance level. Then this is little bit strong resistance level, this is the medium strong resistance level, and this is the at upside. For example, if you go upside and market is going and touch this level, this is also the strong resistance level, but you can follow this because at this point the probability is market will go down. So it's very easy. You can do manual best trade with this indicator. Okay, so I will give you one example with simple chart. For example, this is the simple chart of H4. Okay, so you can draw your own, you can check your own, like you can draw the levels of the market. For example, market was, this is the, I can draw manually, you can see market is, you can manually also you can draw the lanes. For example, market is at this point, this is the resistance level and this is the strong resistance level, and this point, for example, one lane I draw there at this point, and this is the most strong resistance levels. So you can follow the things, you can follow the support and resistance levels for doing the best forex trading system, for doing the best trade. For example, I tag USD JPY, you can see here verified support resistance levels, market going down, and at this point you can like set the buy limit. You can see I have set the buy limit here. You can set the, because market is going down, and star also appear this side, so it's confirmed market will go up. If market will go down, the next support level is this, but I think it's my like experience, market will go up. Market always respect the support and resistance levels. So I hope you have learned something about the support and resistance level. If you want this best indicator for auto, you can see I can set the sell limit here. This is the sell limit, pending order. You can set the stop loss at this point and you can make good profit very easily. You can trade. You can see at the previous history, this was the verified support level. Market go this and touch this verified support level. Verified support level, why verified support level? Because market already touched these support levels, then again market there, it's mean market 90% market will respect the support level and market will go up. So support and resistance levels play a very like important role in forex trading market. Always if you are a professional trader or beginners, you always follow the support and resistance levels for good profit and good results in forex market. If you want this best support and resistance level indicator, you can contact with me at my WhatsApp number. I always try to bring for you the best indicator, and I request you must like and subscribe this channel for further best videos, because it's my desire and it's my target to learn something and to make good profit in forex market. Thank you very much. Goodbye.